Yeah, I like this. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have been doing some photo shoots for my Etsy page with the lip glosses. And as you can see, I'm wearing my peach blush. It's called Love Her. I love this. I love this blush. It's so like neutral, and if you don't want to wear so much makeup, you can go lighter or darker with this. And yeah, I like this. This is at my Shopify. The links will be listed in the description box below. But today it's all about the lip glosses, okay? So you guys can sit back, relax, and just enjoy this little vlog. And remember, if you're not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe to this channel, like these videos, and turn on your notifications because we got some hot stuff coming up, okay? You don't want to miss out on it. So I have just been mixing up a few batches of glosses because I recently listed a slew of glosses on Etsy, my Etsy page, and this is just a little demonstration. These are just going to be samples that I'm doing right now, and I wanted you guys to see what I was doing. I made the clear peppermint lip oil. I also made the lip mask. I made a few colors like the red wine girl. I think like that's gonna be a hit. They are very most of them are pigmented. The red wine girl is lightly tinted red, not lightly, but you can um you can really see the red in it. The berry me, I have a berry me also, and it's mixed with brown and red micas. You can also, that's very pigmented, you can see that like a lot. Then I really wanted to do some more neutral, some natural lip glosses because some people have been asking about those, so I mixed up a few batches of those also. I made peaches and cream, and then the other one, I cannot remember that name, but I also have the bronzy one that I had before, and then the bold gold, which was a hit, and I think it's gonna be even better as I'm launching it back again. So if you want to head on over to my Etsy shop, I will have everything listed in the description box below. Let me know what kind of lip glosses you guys would want to see, what lip glosses you guys would want to see me demonstrate rather. And yeah, so go over to my Etsy shop and you will see all of these glosses. Well, basically all. I still have a few more that needs to be listed. So right here you see me mixing up some lip liquid pigments. If you guys want to see these pigments come back, you can also hit me up in the description box below and let me know. I used to sell them on Etsy, and it was they were huge sellers. I did sell a nude bundle which was excellent. Yeah, so if you guys want to see those, just let me know and we can put them back up on the page, the shop. For those of you who have not seen my ebook as yet, I want to let you guys know that it's up on my Etsy page, and in that ebook you have 15 guidelines on how to start your lip gloss business, because this business, we thought it was dying, but it's back here, it's coming back, it's pumped up, it's big. Okay, so you guys can go and jump on that bandwagon and let's start making these lip glosses. Okay, so like I said, it's 15 guidelines on how to launch, start, how to define your niche, your audience, and all kinds of stuff. And I also have a vendors list in there. I have links. Everything is hyperlink and so on and so forth or whatever. But yeah, so you guys can go and check that out. It's at my Etsy shop, okay? I'm supposed to put it on Shopify, so I'll get back to that this week sometime. And it'll be listed on my Shopify also. But yeah, it's some good little pointers in there for starters. Like I said, it's for starters, and if you follow those guidelines, you will succeed in this business, okay? Because this can be like a generational business, okay? This doesn't have to just start and just stop. You can have this for generation and generations. I don't even know if you can end up in Sephora, Macy's, you know, someplace like that, or worldwide. Yeah, so you don't know where this business can take you. So just hop on over to my Etsy shop, and there you would find that lip gloss ebook, okay? And I'm gonna have more ebooks coming out. I'm just working on a lot of stuff right now, so we're gonna do like some mixer courses and stuff like that. About a few other new stuff that has been going on, so we're gonna incorporate those into ebooks also, okay? You guys don't want to miss out on any of this, okay? So stay tuned. So getting back to the lip glosses, this is Red Wine Lady. As you can see, it's very lightly tinted, but also very noticeable. As you can see, it has little sparks going on in it, and it is in this big wand tube applicator. Like, it's so easy to apply. Big wand tubes like picks up a lot of the gloss. So, and the gloss mixture is so at a good consistency, so you won't have a problem of just, you know, getting the right amount of gloss that you need to just apply like a one-time application to your lips, if you know, if you catch what I'm saying. So yeah, here is the nude, one of the nudes, and I love this one. It's like a very brownish lightish nude color. You'll see a mixture of it right here, but it's still a little deep here. That was my lighting, but the nude is very pigmented also. You can use this all by itself, or you can go over it with your matte lipstick or liquid lipsticks, you know, and so forth like that, and it gives a good it's good for combination, like with pencil and lip gloss and lipstick. So yeah, you can go and grab this also. I can't remember the name, but I know it's a nude something that I have up there. So yeah, you guys can also go and check that out. As you can see, it has little fine lip grade glitters in it, so you'll just see them sparkling when you apply that onto your lips. So yeah, this is my one of the lip pencils that I have. It's called Malibu, and I'm also doing some demonstration with those to put up on the pages. As you can see, I'm lining my lips with these. So yeah, this is just a lip gloss video that I'm bringing to you guys, because I haven't done one in a while. So remember, this channel is Beauty, Business, and Bible. So we're gonna have a little bit of everything involved in these vlogs. Even if it's a little scripture that you see inside the description box, we're gonna just place our faith in these vlogs also, to let people know where we stand and who we believe in. But yeah, so I have Malibu lip liners, and then I have Sensation lip liners, and I love them also. They are nice and creamy and rich, and applies on smoothly. And you can also combine these with your lip liquid lipsticks and so forth, and your shiny lip glosses, and whatever you have, or whatever your favorite combo is, you can include these lip liners in them. I am about to put them on the Etsy page. However, they are on my Shopify page, and you can go there and check them out there also. So yeah, so I'm gonna apply. I think this is mauve that I'm using. I have that on my Shopify. This is a liquid lipstick. It is in a matte type formula, but it's rich and creamy, and it pairs well with the liner, and you can go over it with some gloss. I actually love liquid lipsticks, the matte ones. I just love them. I just love them. So you can just moisturize your lips first and then go over it with your matte liquid lipstick if you don't want any dry lips. However, I do have those moisturizing lip glosses on my page, so you can also go and check them out. So this is my Etsy website page, the link here. I'll also have it in the description box below. And I want to thank you guys for watching. So don't forget to subscribe, like, and share these videos. And I'll see you in my next videos. Bye, queens.